Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin if you're new. Today I'm going to be reviewing and sort of unboxing with you this Marc Jacobs Teddy tote bag in the color camel. I'm so excited to finally start using this bag. I got it as a Christmas gift from my husband Nick, and yes, it is the first week of March and I still have not used this bag, but we're going on a little date night tonight in Pittsburgh, so I wanted to finally use it. One of the reasons why I've been holding off on using this bag is because the weather around here has been absolutely terrible. It's been raining, it's been snowing, it's been so gross out, and that's one thing I would advise of thinking of before you decide to purchase this bag is if you do live in a colder, snowy, rainy climate, this bag may not be that great to take out all the time because of the beautiful teddy material, and I just did not want to get this bag messed up outside with bad weather. So I think I'm in the clear today though. I think it's not supposed to rain till later, so I think it will be okay to finally start using it. So like I said, this is the Marc Jacobs tote bag in the color camel. It's the Teddy tote. It is in the size small. There's small, medium, and large, and originally I wanted the medium, but whenever he was buying this for me for Christmas, the medium was like sold out at a lot of different places, so we ended up going with the small, and I'm actually really glad I went with the small because I think it's actually really big and sizable. For comparison purposes, like this is my iPhone, and like look how much more room there is in this bag. It definitely fits a ton. I'm used to wearing like a lot smaller bags, like smaller crossbodies, and I feel like this bag is going to be so incredibly spacious. I will say the bag is soft to the touch. It's probably not as soft as you would expect it to be, but I think that's good because hopefully that means it holds up okay. I will say it's still stuffed with like the paper it came in, but the shape has really held nicely. You can just tell it's a high quality bag. Of course, I love that it says like the tote bag on there. I thought this was so cute. I know when these bags first came out a few years ago, I was definitely thinking about getting one because I just love the labeling. I think it's very classy, very elevated, and honestly, I feel like this is not a bad price point for this bag. Like, it's definitely designer, it's higher end, but it's not like break the bank higher end. So I feel like this bag is a nice price point. So of course you can hold the bag like this, but it also comes with a crossbody strap, and this is what the strap looks like. It is black. I feel like I normally prefer to wear crossbody bags because I just kind of like them off my hands, and I just like, you know, having that flexibility to just swing it over your shoulder. So we are going to install the strap right now. I'm probably going to need to get some scissors, but again, the strap is like nice and thick. You can definitely tell it's very high quality. The one thing that I wish was different is I wish the hardware was gold instead of silver because I feel like that would go better. But this bag also comes in black. I'm not sure if it comes in any other colors, but I definitely knew I wanted the Teddy color. Yeah, I'm going to need to cut this off so I can properly attach it. BRB. And if you can hear my neighbor's dog barking, no you can't, because I can't hear it either. At least I'm pretending not to hear it. But I just want to cut this off and properly put it on so I can show you guys what it looks like and also set this up for myself for using later tonight. But yeah, this little thing was tucked in originally, which I thought was kind of interesting. I like that. You can just tuck it in. I feel like that looks really sleek. But here we go. We have the strap. As you can see, it's not like super long, but it's definitely, oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, I love the contrast with my turtleneck. Let me show you guys in my full length mirror. So this is where it hits me with me not adjusting the strap, but I can make it a little bit longer. I'm 5'7" for reference. So I would say it hits me like right at the waistline. But look how cute she is. Oh my gosh, I am literally obsessed. I feel like this camel color with the black makes this so versatile because you can definitely wear it with like these kind of like all black outfits, or you could definitely also wear it with like cream or white even. So I do really like the contrast of the black with the camel color. Okay, let us pack the bag. Trying not to get makeup on the bag. But first things first, I'm gonna put my little wallet card holder in. Don't want to show that online because, I mean, why do we want our identity to be stolen? So we're gonna put that in there. And then our Trader Joe's hand sanitizer, which, no offense, this hand sanitizer is not very good, but we'll put that in. Our Fenty Beauty lip gloss in Fussy. I need to grab a powder too, and some gum. And then, of course, my big old iPhone. So fits very comfortably, can definitely fit powder and several other things as well. It did come with this little Marc Jacobs card. And then I think this is the dust bag. I was wondering where the dust bag was. I didn't know if Nick had like thrown it away or something, but it was just inside of the bag. Oh wow, this is really cute. I love this dust bag, and it's very big too, so we'll definitely protect the bag long term. But overall, I'm super impressed with this bag. I feel like it's very high quality, very cute for fall and winter. It's still winter here, even though it's March, so I'm gonna be using this all of March. If you want to hear back on how I am liking this bag and if any problems come up or anything, just keep following along. I'll probably continue to mention it as I vlog. Also, feel free to check out some of my other vlogs. I travel a lot. If this is the first video of mine that you're seeing, like I said, I go on a lot of different trips. Most recently I went to Hawaii, so check out that travel vlog. It was a ton of fun. I also have a lot of wedding content on here from my August 2024 wedding, a lot of like wedding tips and tricks. I vlogged my bridal shower, my bachelorette, so if you want like outfit inspiration, I have those videos on my channel as well, linked under a playlist called Wedding Planning. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!